Hi guys, it's LB with House of Color. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you guys. I did some shopping at Fashion Nova and I cannot wait to show you guys everything that I got because it is so cute. You know, when you go shopping, especially online shopping, it's either a hit or a miss and not everything turns out cute, but I can say that everything is super cute. If you guys like anything that I showed you guys, I do have a discount code for you. It's XOHOC. You could use that at checkout and save some money. Let's get into the haul. Most of the items I got are for fall and it is just so cozy and giving you all sorts of fall vibes. So the first thing I got is this sweater dress. You guys, it is absolutely amazing. I saw this on the model and I was like, oh my gosh, that is super cute. Gotta have it, adding to cart right now. I got a size small. It is so adorable. It's slouchy, so you can do off shoulder and, you know, give a little shoulder cleave. It's a really nice knit material and it has the slouchy sleeves. See how cute it is, you guys? It's short and then it comes with a little belt so you can wear that front, sideways, or even in the back. And look at the back, you guys. So freaking adorable, right? I'm obsessed with this piece and you could wear this with over the knee boots. Oh. Next up, I got this really cute black top. It is a crop top and it is off shoulder again. If you guys have watched any of my hauls, you know I'm obsessed with off the shoulder, okay? I just love anything off the shoulder. I think it's so cute, girly, classy, chic, all of the above. It's long sleeves and it's sheer on the sleeve. You can wear this with jeans or you could do a pencil skirt. It would be super cute with it. I love the fact that it has like a really nice cute collar detail right here. You can really dress this top up or down and it will be absolutely cute. Next up, I got this super cute jacket. I got it in like a taupey color and you guys know for fall you need something fuzzy. This is a staple piece for the change of season and I love the color of it. I'm obsessed. Look at this. Okay? When you put on this jacket, it just makes you feel and do all sorts of things. Look at this. It is so cute, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. And it's so comfy. It's warm. It's just perfect. I also got this really cute tweed jacket. It is in a reddish dark color. I love the fact that it channels the Chanel in you. You could wear this with pearl earring if you really want to be that Chanel girl. Or you can wear this with jeans. It's a really great jacket. I feel like tweed is really in this season. It's kind of a mini, so you can wear this with jeans. You can put it over a dress or anything like that. I really think this is such a cute jacket and I love the button details on this thing. Look at this button. Isn't it pretty? I love how it has the white embroidery around the whole jacket and the sleeves, so it adds a really nice detail to this jacket. Next, I got this. Oh my god, you guys, I'm obsessed with this long cardigan. This says to me, you are Gucci. This piece is absolutely stunning. You could wear this with jeans. You could wear it with a dress underneath. It's long. It's a nice knit material. It also has a belt that's already on the cardigan. And I really like the color combination of this. Super cute, chic, and comfy long cardigan. This next piece, you guys, I saw it on the model and I was like, so cute. There was this point in my life where I bought a lot of leopard stuff and then I started to feel like Peg Bundy because, you know, she always wore leopard. But I saw this on the website and I was like, oh my gosh, must have. I think this is such a statement dress and I love that it's simple because the cut is very simple. It's just a spaghetti strap, nice and thin, just the way I like it, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. Also, the breast part is lined, so you definitely don't need to wear a bra with it if you don't want to. It adds a little bit of cushion to it. I love the cut of this. I love how it hugs your body super nicely. It gives you lots of curves and also the length. If you're short like me, it comes to your knee and it's just perfect, not too long, not too short. It's a really great piece for times when you want to make a statement, or if you want to dress it down, you can throw a jacket over it, and I think it's just absolutely perfect. I got this super duper 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 cute dress. I'm thinking all sorts of holiday vibes in this. You can wear it to a holiday soiree. I love the cut of it. I love the color and the material. So it's kind of like this velvety material, great for winter time. The red is just such a statement piece, and I love the slit on it. It does have a high slit on the leg. It's just such a statement piece, you guys, and you can put this on, be the center of attention at the party, because this will turn heads. I'm just saying, I'm warning you, if you wear this to a party, girl, you're gonna be turning heads. Since I liked that dress so much, I also got kind of the same one, except this is a long sleeve. Also in that reddish material. See, you guys see it's like the same color. So it's like that jewel red, and it's that velvet material. It's long sleeves. It also has shoulder pads, so it really gives the dress a nice structure. Also a super cute slit on the side right here, so it gives you that nice statement. Definitely a nice holiday dress. Definitely a center of attention, turn your head, look at me dress. Totally obsessed with it. And you guys, seriously, it's only $32.99. Okay. Next, I got this super cute knit top. Again, Gucci vibes. You can do this with leggings. You can do this with a skirt. You can do this with jeans. You could do this with basically anything, and you can look dressed up without looking dressed up. It's like one of those things where it's, you don't have anything to wear and you're wearing leggings. Again, mom life. Throw this on and you're like, oh, I tried this morning. Definitely such a cute top, and I got it in a medium because I want it to be kind of slouchy. That's the vibe I'm going for. Loving it, you guys. Those were all the clothing pieces, and moving on to accessories. So I got these belts right here. I got this color combo. It's so versatile, and you could wear this with anything. And if you guys have noticed, the whole belt sweater thing is coming back in. A few years ago, you would put a belt on anything and that's your outfit. You put a belt over a big sweater. It just really adds a nice touch to that sweater, so you're not drowning in it. Because I know a lot of times you want to look slouchy, you want to look relaxed, but you also want to look like you have a waist. So what do? You put a belt over your outfit. I'll show you guys right now. You put a belt over yourself, okay? And look at that, voila, outfit. Ooh, this brown and the gray really goes nice well together too. Next up, you guys, I got this cute beret. I think I have one already, but a different shade. It's the same, but it's different. Stop. Take me to Paris. Is this not the cutest beret ever, you guys? You guys, stop. This whole, is it called baker's cap? Biker's cap? Baker's cap? Whatever. I got one of these, and I got it in that patent red because why? Because I want to make a statement. It's super cute. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Do I look like a firefighter or do I look chic? Firefighter chic? Firefighter chic. I don't know. You guys tell me. Am I not wearing this right? I feel a little silly. Low, low. Guys, low. Fighting your fires or chic? You guys tell me. It's fall. You know what that means? That means boots and booties. Hello! Oh my God. Look at this booty, you guys. It's so cute. And I love the color. I love the material. I love everything about this booty. You know what? Let's try this on right now. Oh. It would help if I put it on the right foot. Okay. Stop right now. Look at this booty. Isn't this the most adorable thing you've ever seen? I chose this color because I have black, brown, gray, basically all the colors. And I always gravitate towards these booties because why? They're so comfortable. I love how it has a little heel. So moms, you could still dress up a little bit. I'm gonna go drop off Preston in school in these booties and my leggings and a coat. What? So I can look a little put together. Loving the color, loving these booties. Just loving everything about it. My last pair of booties are these. Wow, you guys, isn't it pretty? This definitely is different from this one. Do you guys see the difference? Kind of toned down color. This is when you want to dress up. The heel says it all. The color says it all. You could wear maybe like a white sweater dress or a cream sweater dress, and this is it. You put this on, you're fall. You're chic. You are getting your pictures taken for Instagram. That's what's happening. That was everything that I got at Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's it. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!